Hello everyone, how are you? In today's video, I will share how to create a Shopify partner account and how to get a collaborator access for Shopify account. Okay, so first of all, you can going to this partner.shopify.com is a must be required. Not only Shopify.com, just going log in and sign up for partner.shopify.com. Okay, so going to this option, then send this store. Okay, so you can home stores, referral apps, themes, Shopify posts, partner docs, partner docs. These are most important. So you just click in this store, then click is in the store. Your get is the I'm already you can see this one is store boxing ball you asked for. It's basic Shopify collaborator access. It's all everything is okay, no problem. And then you can get this development, not only all development, all or everything. No, just clicking the all or manage. Okay, so I am clicking the manage, then or all manage or all. Okay, so you can get in the add the store, then create development store, request access store. You can click the request access the store. Okay, request access to store. And then store URL. You need to store URL. Like I can get this store URL. This is one. Okay, so store URL. So this is store URL, like this is a boxingball.com. Your everything is no problem. Your targeted store email is targeted store URL this option. Then collaborator request code. Collaborator request code is a client your website owner just asks the what is your collaboration request score. Then she sent. Okay, so my collaboration request is called like this one, sorry, like 4 digit. Okay, this is one, this one like, then collaborator request code. Okay, so your permission. Okay, so you can see this is a home order, you can general, you selection all, no problem, all are everything access, but you can need some like a manage setting, like location, like manage plan, like others everything, gift card, customer. You can just okay, you can mean your what is the need, your problem though, themes, edit theme code, blog, no problem. You can just select what is your need. Then some message, please me, or don't message, no problem. Just send me request access for a store. Then you can your buyer, your website owner get get a request. Okay, get a request and then approve this your request. Then you can say then you can receive this mail approved boxing below as an approved request. Hope you understand this option very simply. Just click in the option, then store. Okay, so you have face any problem, then you can get in the comment box. I can help you, no problem. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video and like this channel and option. Thank you.